100 push-ups a day challenge. How it can transform your health. Engaging in the 100 push-ups a day challenge can lead to several transformative health benefits. Increased strength. Push-ups target various muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Performing 100 push-ups daily challenges these muscles, leading to increased strength and muscle definition over time. Improved muscle endurance. Consistently completing 100 push-ups builds muscle endurance, allowing you to sustain physical activity for longer periods without fatigue. Enhanced cardiovascular health. While push-ups primarily focus on strength, performing them rapidly can elevate your heart rate, providing cardiovascular benefits similar to aerobic exercise. This can improve heart health and circulation. Calorie burn and weight management. Push-ups engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, resulting in a higher calorie expenditure. Incorporating this challenge into your routine, along with a balanced diet, can aid in weight management and fat loss. Better posture. Strengthening the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and core through push-ups can help improve posture by promoting proper alignment of the spine and shoulders. Increase bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like push-ups stimulate bone growth and help maintain bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Stress reduction. Exercise, including the 100 push-ups a day challenge, triggers the release of endorphins, neurotransmitters that promote feelings of well-being and reduce stress and anxiety. Boosted confidence. Successfully completing the challenge and witnessing improvements in strength and physical appearance can boost self-confidence and self-esteem. Establishing a routine. Committing to a daily exercise challenge fosters a habit of regular physical activity, setting the foundation for a healthier lifestyle overall. Mental discipline. The challenge requires mental toughness and discipline to maintain consistency. Overcoming daily obstacles can instill a sense of accomplishment and resilience. While the 100 push-ups a day challenge offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to listen to your body, maintain proper form, and avoid overtraining. Additionally, combining this challenge with a well-rounded fitness regimen, including cardiovascular exercise, flexibility training, and rest days, can optimize results and reduce the risk of injury.